using my Jaclyn Hill palette today.
I'm using Becky G's collaboration with ColourPop Salvaje.
So I'm gonna go in with this dark color and see how it goes and put that on the crease.
And I'm gonna take Luna and I'm gonna apply that to the brow bone.
I'm gonna use the second one from the second row. Just blend that onto the lunas with the other color that I placed on the crease.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the crease with Cafecito. Oh, I lied. That is not what this one's called. That's this one. This one's Cafecito. This one is Caramelo. And I'm gonna go with the crease with
This color right here. Can you guys even see? I'm gonna put that on the outer corner of my eyeball.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Malbec. And we're gonna put that right in the crease.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be using these two colors on the lip.
Alright, so I'm gonna dip into a different palette. This is the Revolution Pro All That Glistens palette. And for right now, I'm just gonna take this Based. This is called Based, and it's an actual eyeshadow base. And I'm gonna take that on the lid. This lid color.
I'm going to wet my brush just a little bit, and I'm going to be taking the second shade on top, this one right here, and I'm going to be placing that just on the center of what I have on my eye, just to give it a little bit of a pop. So when you think Christmas food, what do you think?
Our usual. The corn, the mashed potatoes, the ham. Mostly the ham.
See, when I think Christmas food, I think pozole, even though I don't have it with you guys. But I think pozole, menudo, tamales, homemade tamales. Tamales that took all day to make. Tamales that I helped, con la masa.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I think about when I think about Christmas food.
I'm gonna go in to the lid with Corona right here. And I think what I'm gonna do is mix Corona with a little bit of Estrella. Estrella is almost a little bit more like a rose gold. I'm gonna kind of mix them in a little bit. This one is very, very gold. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with Sangria. And I'm going to put that on like the outer corner of the crease. Because I'm kind of gonna wing this out of it.
A wing with this Wet n Wild H2O proof eyeliner.
Waterproof?
I'm just gonna wing it out, see how it goes. I haven't used this eyeliner in a very long time. safe.
So now I'm gonna go in with like a pointed shadow brush. And I'm gonna go in with the shade. Now I'm using Cafecito. Right there. And I'm gonna apply that at like the base of the lash line. And I'm gonna wing that upward. Flick it out, you know? Give me your opinion. Do I wanna put glitter on this? If I do, it's only gonna be right here at like this little corner piece on the lash line, bottom lash line. I'm not putting it everywhere. Do I wanna do this? No, right?
No. Alright guys, so I did a wing with the black liner, and on top of the black liner, I used my Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy and went on top of the wing. I don't know how we're feeling right now.
Alright, so I'm just gonna do a little light coat of mascara. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Mascara, the waterproof one. I'm gonna use it for the top lashes just a little bit, and then coat the bottom lashes with it as well.
So I'm basically grabbing the same colors that I used on the crease and blending them into my bottom lash. Just kind of smoking it out, making everything match. I want the bottom to match with the top. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Lash Sensation. Say sensational.
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 There.
I like this one a lot actually.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna spray my face, guys, because I feel very dry. I'm really crusty right now. I'm gonna cover my eyeballs. So this is the Morphe Set and Refresh Mist with Jeffree Star. La Jeffree.
La Jeffree Estrellita.
La Jeffree Estrellitas.
What's your girl's name?
Maria Gloria.
Shout out to her.
So I'm putting this foundation on, which is Milani Conceal Perfect and number 5, Beige. And I'm just gonna pounce my face.
Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation in the shade Natural. This is very, very matte.
My Shape Tape by Tarte in the color medium to highlight the high points of my face, or whatever they say. I put very little on my forehead because it gets pretty crusty. And I don't put it so close to the eye because you gotta blend it out so it spreads. So when you like put it so close to your eyeball, like I don't understand how. Where do you guys blend it to? Where? I don't understand. Why are they doing this? I just set my under eyes with this Laura Mercier, the Secret Brightening Powder. Just the under eyes. I'm pushing it onto my skin. I'm not baking. I'm just setting. I'm gonna move on and I'm gonna set my whole entire face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now it's gonna grab whatever brush and then just go to town.
Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. This is in the shade Fair.
I'm going to use my Mineral Skin Finish Powder and Give Me Sun to bronze up the face a bit. So blazing it and the hollows of the cheekbone, right? And I'm bringing it up on my temples as well, onto my forehead. Very, very, very little. Just want it to look like we just came back from Bora Bora or something. It's very naturally bronze.
Alright, so I'm gonna go in and do a quick little set all over my face. This is the GG Gorgeous Turnt Touch Up Powder. It's just like their translucent shade. Can't talk there. And I'm just gonna throw that all over.
I'm going back with this Too Faced Natural Face palette and I'm going to put a little bit of blush. I'm going to be using this shade right here. I think it's called Pink Sand. I'm just placing it on the apples of my cheeks and then blending it onto the bronzer. You want to just marry the colors together.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my bronzer now. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep Bronzer.
I'm gonna add a little bit of this really hot pink color. Oh, it looks so pigment on there. Just a little bit, because I kind of want my cheeks. There. See what it is to me? I want that. That's what I wanted. Just a little bit. Yeah. And I run it across my nose just a little bit. Okay, once I did that, I'm gonna go back into my setting spray and I'm gonna refresh the face to apply some, kind of like these two shades. I'm gonna blend them together and just go to town. Place it on the bridge of my nose. Cupid's bow. Oh, I wonder what lip I'm gonna use. A little bit on the chin. And then the other side.
I'm gonna go ahead and contour. This is the shade that I always use to contour. It's an eyeshadow from the Balm, from the What's the Tea palette. And ooh la la.
So once I'm done, I'm gonna grab a small brush. And this is just a mini flat brush by Luxie. And I'm gonna grab this shade and place it onto the inner corner to trim out these beads. And just make sure you blend it onto the eyeshadow look. You don't want just one random color there. You want to just blend everything together. You want it to be seamless. You don't want to know where it begins, where it ends. Whatever.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Flexitarian. And this Luxie brush. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight that. Okay, now over top of my Super Shack cheek, I'm gonna go in with this IBY Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter in 24K Magic, just a little bit because it's a bit dark for my skin tone. So just to give it a little bit of like a golden bronze kind of tone. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that right over. And just blend that in a bit. Alright, y'all. I am going to use the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Date Night.
Okay, so I did Jeffree Star in collab with Manny MUA, and I'm shook on the whole entire lip. And then on the center of that, I did Dose of Colors Campfire to just. I'm gonna lie and say to give it a pop, but I was just trying to see if I prefer that one. Grab this brush. It's just a clean brush, and just blend my whole face to make sure that I don't have any unfinished business. Especially this. I just always fear for the contour or the bronzer. It's my biggest fear. I am ready for the posadas. I am ready for Feliz Navidad. I am ready for burrito sabanero. I am ready for los tamales, el pozole. El pozole? El pozole. Que son tostadas.
Alright guys, so these are the finished looks. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Merry Christmas! It's pretty decent. Yeah.
Free. Oh.
Here you go. And your sponge sounds so like squishy. Do you hear it? It's like getting tired of you marrying things.